PRODEX Premium line developed to meet the highest standards of quality and thermal performance. Our ESD and ESW product families are ASTM certified. The PRODEX Premium product line meets the flame spread and smoke development requirements of NFPA 101. PRODEX adds an extra layer of credibility to its products by subjecting them to the ASTM and REMA International verification programs. By having third-party verification, PRODEX assures its customers that the premium ESD and ESW lines meet the requirements established by ASTM C1224. Installation of PRODEX Premium insulation over the roof structure with the existing cover. Set up the necessary safety systems for any work at height. For the installation, you will need drill, self-drilling screws, utility knife, metal strap as a fixing element, and a hot air gun. Ensure the insulation rolls are safely lifted to the roof, either with rope or lifting equipment. Remove the existing roof sheets in an upward direction. The removed sheets should be returned to their original position to avoid future infiltrations. Stack them in a separate section of the roof, in the specific order they were removed to facilitate their placement after the insulation installation. You should remove 2 rows of roof sheets for each sheet of PRODEX Premium you need to install. Using the metal strap, secure one end of the PRODEX Premium insulation to the first purling of the structure. Extend the roll of PRODEX Premium along the uncovered section of the roof. If the roll's length does not cover the entire roof section, ensure to leave at least 8 inches of excess at the last purling. Align the roll perpendicular to the purling and evenly tension the insulation. Secure the other end of the roll to the last purling of the roof section being insulated. Use metal strap as a fixing element as described previously. Place a row of roofing over the installed insulation and proceed to remove the next row of roof sheets to make space for the next row of thermal insulation. For the placement of the next roll, repeat the previous steps. The ESD and ESW insulations have foam side tongues that facilitate sealing between rolls. Use a heat gun to thermo-weld the overlaps between rolls. Repeat as many times as necessary until the installation is complete. Once you have finished the entire roof section, conduct a final inspection to ensure that the sheets are correctly placed and in their proper order. Inquire about the ESD and ESW family of installations, which are easy to install, ensure high thermal resistance values, and meet the quality and safety requirements established by ASTM. The PRODEX Premium product line is the perfect balance between thermal performance and human safety.